Hello, hot topic. I'm a 33-year-old man. I stay and work in the UK. I got married to the love of my life early last year. She was 27. My wife is based in Zimbabwe. After the wedding, I came back to the UK, ndikasiya my wife with my mother. Tichirikutodanana, ndaigara ndichidzidzisa my wife our family customs. I told her kuti kana mwana azvarwa, rukuvhute rwake, nebvudzi is supposed to be sent kunaMama vangu because that's our family custom. I remember back then achitoti, that's weird and stuff, but ndakanyatsomuudza how important it is. I managed to visit back home mwana paakazvarwa, but it was about 2 weeks after. My mom had asked kuti bvudzi nerukuvhute how far. I asked my wife about it. Akanditi I forgot all about it, but ndakanyatsomuudza. Hanzi mom said zvinopiswa. Saka vakatopisa. Now she's back at my mom's place. Ndiko kwaari. Paweekend I don't know kuti akabuda achiendepi. She says she was pamba achiwacha, but my mom says akabuda akavasiyira mwana. So mama says vakagera mwana because bvudzi remwana ranga rakura. But my wife said my mom told her kuti vatora bvudzi raakamboramba naro. She's so superstitious about my mom. Zvandisina kufarira. But I love my wife. She took mwana akaenda naye kumba kwavo. Now my mom says stuff and my wife says her own stuff. And I'm held in between. Is there a solution to this issue?